Hallelujah. Let every heart arise. Let every voice declare the King of glory reigns. Hallelujah. Before the mountains touch the sky, before the oceans learn to rise, your voice was calling life from night. Your word was breathing endless life. Now every heartbeat that you made was fashioned just to sing your praise. Creation joins the anthem loud as heaven shakes with holy sound. Oh, every chain begins to fall, every wall comes crashing down. When your children lift one voice, the earth begins to hear the sound. The sound of hallelujah is rising through the land. Every tribe and every nation lifting holy hands. The sound of hallelujah makes darkness run away. Jesus, you are worthy, forever you will reign. Hallelujah, hallelujah. All glory belongs to you. Oh, hallelujah, oh, hallelujah. We worship only you. The broken find their strength again, the weary rise to dance again. The captive hears redemption's song, because your love keeps calling home. Your mercy echoes through the years, it dries our eyes and calms our fears. No grave can hold the living King, so every soul is reason to sing. Oh, let revival fill this place, let your fire fall again. Every heart becomes an altar as we magnify your name. The sound of hallelujah is rising through the land. Every tribe and every nation lifting holy hands. The sound of hallelujah makes darkness run away. Jesus, you are worthy, forever you will reign. Hallelujah, oh, hallelujah. Oh, glory belongs to you. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, we worship only you. From the prison to the palace, from the valley to the throne, every story points to Jesus. He will never let us go. From the cross to resurrection, from the empty borrowed grave, our Redeemer lives forever. He is mighty strong to save. Let the children sing it, let the elders sing it, let the angels you are worthy. The sound of hallelujah will never end.